Hello friends, welcome to Excel class number 10. We will study the practical usage of and or function, and we will nest it with if function to fetch the appropriate result. So we have the sales of salespersons in this section, and we want to check the bonus eligibility for these candidates. The criteria is, first criteria is Jan and Feb. Both months sales should be equal to or greater than 1 lakh rupees. Or if this criteria is not met, then we have the second criteria, that is total sales should be greater than or equal to 2,20,000. Between these two criteria, we have option any of the criteria is met, then the candidate is eligible for the bonus. But in this criteria, the both sales should be equal to or greater than 1 lakh rupees. So for that we will use and or function. We will select this area equal to if to fetch the appropriate result instead of true and false. Bracket start. First input is logical test. For that we will choose the or function because we have option between these two criteria. So logical test of if is or function, bracket start, or function syntax will start. So logical one. So logical one is the and function, bracket start. So now the and syntax starts. We want to check the sale is greater than equal to 1 lakh. So we need to check the cell addresses as well. So B5, in the next cell we want to check the sales of Mohit in Jan month. So we will keep the cell address as it is, comma, logical 2 is the Feb month sale greater than equal to 1 lakh. So bracket close. So between these two criteria we have to get the result if both the criteria is met, comma, now we are into the or syntax and syntax is closed, comma, logical 2. So we want to check the total sales. Is this total sales greater than equal to 2,20,000? Bracket close. Now the or syntax is completed. So comma, now we are into the if syntax, comma, value if true, we want to give it as eligible. So we have to check the cell address. As we are copying this formula from top to bottom, we will freeze the row reference, comma, as we want this value if true be picked up from this cell only in the next cell as well, comma. So not eligible is in H10 cell. So same criteria applies for this cell address as well. We will lock the row reference, bracket close, control enter. So we get the results. So in the last cell we will check whether the cell addresses are correct or incorrect. So F2, the B11, C11 and D11 are these cell addresses of Sunita. So the values are being picked up from the correct cells, and for eligible and not eligible the status are being picked up from H9 cell and H10 cell. So eligible and not eligible, that is correct. So here what we have done is we have nested if function, or function and function into a single formula. So how is it applied? We have used or, there is option between these two criterias. So we have used or function before the and function, and then in and function we have given these two sales to be checked up whether they are greater than equal to 1 lakh rupees, and then comma. So if we will check this in formula and we will take out the formula evaluate formula, we will check this. So first this and function will be evaluated. The function that comes last in the formula will be evaluated first. So evaluate. So 1,20,000 is greater than equal to 1 lakh. True. So this will generate true. So C5, in C5 the value is 1 lakh. So is it greater than equal to 1 lakh? Yes, this is greater than equal to 1 lakh. So this will generate true and true. So this condition will give the final result as true. So first result is true. So D5. So second, this will give the final result as true, however, but we will check this D5 value with this value. So 2,20,000 is greater than equal to 2,20,000. The result will be true. So the final outcome of the OR function will be both the conditions are true. So the final result will be true, and value in case the result is true will be eligible. So we will check it for the not eligible candidate as well. So formulas, evaluate formula. So AND function will be evaluated first. So first value is 75,000. So 75,000 is less than 1 lakh. So in AND the result is false. So the final outcome will be false because first condition is false. If the one condition is false in case of AND function, the final result is false. But we will check the second condition as well. So 45,000 is less than 1 lakh. So second condition is also false. So the final outcome of AND will be false, and second outcome D7 greater than equal to 2,20,000. So 1,20,000 is the total sales of so on. So 1,20,000 is less than 2,20,000. So the false will give the final result as false in our function. So false, the value if false is not eligible. So this candidate is not eligible for the bonus. That is how we can nest if and or in a single formula. So if we change the output of this, so let's say we want to say better luck next time. Better luck next time, not better luck next time. So the output is changed to better luck next time instead of not eligible. So we have given the values in the formula. If we check, we are comparing these values greater than equal to 1 lakh, greater than equal to 1 lakh. These values can also be given in the cell addresses, rather giving up direct values in the formula. It is not recommended to give the direct values in the formula, because if tomorrow the eligibility criteria is changed, then we have to change up the whole formula. Thank you.